Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for those of you on Windows 10. There were some cumulative updates today, and we're talking about a very small update that was released, and it fixes an issue that was actually apparently something that happened after the May 28th cumulative update. It broke a little something for a very specific item. So if you were actually running a internet small computer systems interface, an ISCSI, and trying to access a storage area network, you would actually get an error message. It wouldn't actually prevent you from working. And the system log event viewer would actually give you an event ID 43. It would tell you that the target failed to respond in time for a login request. So this is very specific. That means, probably mostly enterprise users will actually have some fix for this. But for most people, this is a non-issue. This is the only thing that it fixes. So it's a very small update. If you don't have it, if you don't see it, or if you don't install it, you're not going to miss out on anything special. It is an update that's available for 4 versions of Windows 10. The Creators Update and Fall Creators Update, and also for the April 2018 update and October 2018 update. The version numbers that you see here, 17.763.593, is what you'll be when you install it, 17.134.860, and basically don't worry about it if you don't have it. There's no security in here, so it's really nothing very important to users of the older versions of Windows. But if you do have that problem, this will fix it. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.